Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 7, Creating Email Account from cPanel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn step by step how to create an email account from cPanel. Let's get started. So here, we are again on the cPanel homepage. Scroll down below and you'll see Email here. Now you can create your email account from here. Click on this Email Accounts. It's opening with redirection. Here it is. This will let you create and manage your email account. You can create a new one from here. Click on it. Insert your preferred username here, like admin. Next, create a strong password now. Below, you can set your storage space here, higher or lower, or there is an option to choose unlimited here. Selecting this checkbox will enable you to get a welcome email with instructions. Then, click on Create. So here, we have created our account and it is showing right here on the top. Now click on this Checking Mail. It's logging you in, and here we are choosing RoundCube Webmail Application. Click on it. We are logged in our mail account. This is our interface. Here is our email ID from which we are operating this. And all the options are here with inbox, sent, junk, trash, etc. On top, there's refresh and compose button. Click on it. For sending a new mail, here the panel opens. Insert receiver's mail ID with the subject. Write the mail body, and on top, there's a send button to send your mail. That's pretty much everything with email setup. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress manually on your site. See you in the next video tutorial.